Good morning. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 12th of November. My disclaimer, it is for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to shoot trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ccmcrypto.substack.com, and it's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, great. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin chart, where we're not actually making an awful lot of progress off the lows here. We're still testing the 50-week moving average at 103.185. We're still testing that as support. This is not really making much progress to the upside. In terms of the daily chart, we've back tested the daily middle band, which is at 107.529, but so far that is holding, with the high this week at 107.489. So far that's holding, and we're not making any progress breaking over it. And if we continue not making any progress breaking over it, then the next move is likely to be down. And these double top targets in the 98.3 to 99 areas are very much on the table. Looking at the hourly chart, we've got a decent looking possible falling wedge. Possible bull flag here, but really, obviously, we're going to need to get up to resistance, and that's going to need to break. So I've got that currently at about the 109 area. We've not reached it. It's the obvious next target, but if we can't reach it, then obviously this is showing the double top here, and the next obvious move would see us break down. All right, looking at Solana on the weekly chart, we're seeing a bit of a rally here on the daily charts. I've been watching for a test of the daily middle band at 176.25. We've not got close to it so far, and so far it kind of looks like we're forming a bear flag. We might see another leg up within that bear flag, but it's still going to look an awful lot like a bear flag. Looking at the hourly chart, we had an RSI 14 sell signal fix, and that has made target. But you can see this is forming like, marginal higher lows, marginal higher highs. This is forming an awful lot like a bear flag at the moment. We will see. All right, looking at Ethereum. Ethereum is rallying. We never made it far below the main support here, which is the 50-week moving average. The last couple of posts I've been talking about the importance of this level, so have a look at those if you can't recall. But I've got that at 3147.29 at the moment, and we are significantly above it. But again, on the upside, I'm looking at the daily middle band. We've got that at 3704, and we've not got close to it yet, like Solana. If we are going to see retests the high, we're going to need to break and convert those and then get through the next levels, which would mainly be the 50 DMA at 39.66 here. We are looking good as a rally so far, but we're not making the kind of targets that would suggest that we're going to break up towards the high yet. That may start, but if it doesn't start, again, I've got downside targets on all of these. On Solana, we've got a head and shoulder, and so far, with a target in the 95 area, and so far, all we have done is gone back tested the neckline. On Ethereum, we've got another head and shoulders, which is broken down with a target in the 2050 area, and all we've done is gone back and tested the neckline. So far, that is bearish. So I'm thinking that once this rally blows out, unless we can get an awful lot higher, the next obvious move is going to be down. At minimum, a retest of this low here, and very possibly to continue down to those larger targets. So we shall see. All right, great. Let's have a look at questions. Nope, I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning.